Hello friend, welcome back again to me in the new video. In here I will show you how to make a simple app to show the web view in Jetpack Compose. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, I will clear all this function and then I will create a new function in here with the composable function. I will make for new function the call is Webview screen. Okay, like this. Inside the function, I will make the new variable. The name is for backstage. If I click the back button in my device, I will create a back enable by remember, and I will make it simple and delete it and mutable state of false, the default value, and you can alt enter and then import get value and mutable state of and import once again and the error is gone. And now I will create a new variable again, call it for the webview. Webview is equal webview question mark is equal null. Okay, and then I will create an Android view. Android view it has mod for the modifier. I'm sorry, I will enter in the key first and then create the modifier is equal modifier, and then I will create in here factory and curly bracket, make the contact. Okay, and enter. Inside this I will call the web view like this, and then specify the contacts and apply. Okay, like this. And inside the apply box I will specify for the size of the web view. In here I will call the layout params. Layout param is equal view group dot layout param, and then inside the layout param I will fill with a view group again. Layout param is match parent, and I will create one again like this. And in here I will call for the web view client. Web view client is equal object, and where is web view client like this, and curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket I will override for the page started. If page started, I will delete it, and instead for back enable is equal view dot can go back. Okay, this question mark in here. I will give the asserted sign, and then in here I will call the setting the JavaScript enable. For the JavaScript enable is equal true, and then I will make for the load URL, and I will load for my GitHub repository page, and in here I will web view is equal this. Okay, Then in here I will call for update is equal curly bracket, and inside the curly bracket the call Webview is equal it, like this. And then I will call like this, and in here I will call the back handler for the back button. Back button is enable is equal back enable, like this. And then inside the curly bracket in here I will call work for Webview question mark and go back, okay. And I will call this function inside here, Webview screen, okay. And don't forget, for the manifest file you must to give for user permission Wi-Fi state or and the user permission for internet, okay. And I will try for this app. I will run. Okay, the app is done. You can see this is the web view for my GitHub repository, and it's very pretty simple in the Jetpack Compose. You can try in your project. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and see you in the next video. Thank you.